Let's talk about one of Rwanda's gems, Jolly Mutesi, the first ever Miss Rwanda to shine on an international stage in 2016. She's not just a beauty queen, she's a force of inspiration for an entire generation. Jolly has dedicated her platform to empowering youth and uplifting communities.
Ndakumva interview za Jolly zose narazirebye.
From championing education to being a voice for women, she's shown us what it means to lead with both heart and purpose. And can we take a moment to appreciate how effortlessly she slays every outfit? From elegant gowns to chic casuals, Jolly redefines Rwandan style with grace and confidence. She's not just a role model, she's a friend to her community, always spreading positivity and lighting up every room she enters. Today we celebrate you, Jolly Mutesi. Thank you for your impact, your style, and your kindness. Keep inspiring us all, Queen. Happy birthday, Jolly. Follow for more inspiring stories.